In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Typeform to email for an easy integration. This is a quick process that should take about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in and get your form responses flowing seamlessly into your inbox. First, you'll want to start by opening your web browser and heading over to the Typeform website. Simply type in www.typeform.com in your browser's address bar and hit enter. You should see the Typeform homepage now. Once you are on the homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen and find the login button. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. Now, you have the option to log in using your email address and password, or if you've connected your account with Google, Microsoft, or another authentication service, you can use those credentials instead. Choose the method that you prefer and enter your details. After you've entered your information, click the login button to access your Typeform account. You'll be directed to your dashboard where you can either create a new form or select one that you've already made. Choose whichever suits your needs at the moment. Next, head over to the connect section of your form from the dashboard. This is where we'll start linking your Typeform to your email. In the connect section, you'll notice a notifications tab. Click on it and then select the email option. If you don't see it right away, you can use the search box to type in email and find it quickly. Now there might be a moment where a pop-up window appears asking for you to confirm access. Go ahead and click on the authorize button to proceed. This authorization will allow Typeform to send emails on your behalf. Once you are in the email settings, enter the email addresses where you want to receive your form responses. This step is crucial because it tells the system exactly who should get notified when there are new responses. You also have the option to customize your email notifications. This means you can adjust the subject line and the body of the email to include specific data from form responses, making it easier for you to organize and track the information coming in. Finally, click on the continue button to complete the setup, and that's it. You've successfully connected your Typeform to email, and your form responses will now be sent directly to your designated inbox. I hope this guide was helpful and that it makes managing your responses simpler and more efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy form connecting.